So bad, it's all real. It's on wheels. On the flag, diamonds bustin' at the roof. I gotta fly, I need a jet. I need room for my legs. I got a baby, I need some money. Money. What I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money.
I just fell.
You did?
Yeah, that's why this is on.
What we do here is go back.
We have to shovel all the way down to that last mailbox. This is where we are. That's where the last mailbox is. Look at this.
At least you don't gotta shovel back there.
That's our backyard. You can't even see it. That is the snowplow coming. I don't have any gloves. I jumped in it. My booty gonna be cold. Can y'all see all the way down there past the 25 miles per hour sign? That's all of our sidewalk all the way to right here, and that's what we had to shovel last night. I'm going for a walk. I know y'all say y'all want a day in the life and y'all want me to do some more vlogs. I'm going to start doing that. This is the next day after we checking my mailbox. Y'all probably can't even see me. About to go for a walk. Maybe I'll get the mail when I come back from my walk. That'll make more sense. I'm going for a walk and I wanted to talk to you because my goal this year is to be a daily vlogger. My goal is also to reach, I'm gonna say, 15,000 subscribers by December. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I need your help. I need you to start telling people about this channel. My goal is to reach to 5,000 by April, and I feel like if I can do 5,000 by April, I should be able to do 15,000 by December. Back on another video, back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video. Today, we are going to YMCA. Let's go. We finally made it to the Y. If y'all watched the live, thanks for watching. Making turkey sandwiches. We got our lunches all packed in the bag. So this is the lunch that I got. Chips, yogurt, fruit, sandwiches, and bottles. Bam, bam. Packing lunch if you take your kids to the Y. If you're a homeschool family or parent, save some money when you do field trips or fun family activities and pack a lunch. I think this is like an old-fashioned Y because the rest of the Ys don't look like this. So like the lady was checking me in because we live 45 minutes away from here. They were trying to act like you couldn't come to this Y. The membership goes everywhere, girl. Get it together.
Do you have a membership for that? Do you have a membership for that? Do you have a membership for that?
So I'm not doing a tour of the Y. I'm just gonna show y'all what we do. But this is an older one. This is the family room.
That's the boys' locker.
Family locker rooms, men's locker room. Okay. We're gonna go swimming first, and then they're gonna do. Either they're gonna do the ice skating first or next, or yeah. I know we went to the downtown one. So then they're gonna do, there's 2 more rooms right here. We're gonna do swimming first, and we're gonna do ice skating and rock wall climbing. My kids left me. Oh shoot, that hurt it. Oh my God. Whew. Lord, please don't do that to yourself.
open space. You guys can swim. Okay. Well, you got it.
They all pass.
The only thing is those blocks down there. You can't go off of those. If you want to do any.
This is the sun. The hard life of a homeschool mom. I don't like being in the sunny room, but I just came in here so I can show y'all that it's here and it's, you know, available. It's too hot for me, honey. It's too hot. I'm sweating off my eyebrows, honey. Y'all see, I'm not playing around about this swim cap. SisterLocks. No chlorine.com. Okay? Okay. But yeah, I'm feeling real bougie-licious in this white right now. I feel so good. I feel so happy. I don't know if y'all feel the same if you have children, but my kids, they make me so freaking happy. Like, I love planning this type of stuff. I love doing this kind of stuff. I love having homeschool, like being a homeschool parent, teacher, whatnot. It's the best. You can do it, do it, do it, do it,
You want me to pull you off?
Get your fly like a bird. There you go, Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
No, that was funny.
The new Spider-Man, not the old.
Nice job.
job. We just finished doing a rock wall climbing. It's freezing in the ice skating rink. It's freezing. You are a size 4.
Should I get? I want to get a size 4.
Okay.
But if it's too small, I'll get a size 5.
So you can, if you want to, you can try your size and the size under.
Shoes every day. I can't. I'll break my ankle. Mom, I'll be like, let's go. Hey, put this in my plate. Mom, I'll be like, let's go, boy. You want to fight? Slice, slice. And mine have those things on it, so I can know.
I will not, I shall not be falling on my butt today, so I will not be in there. Just watching.
In like 4 or 3 years. I only did it one at a time. Mom, please stop showing my face.
How do you feel about it?
It's easier than I thought it would be. But I'm definitely not gonna let go of that blue thing. I'm not gonna fall on my butt.
We're not planning here today, but this is the second day.
Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame hit mode.